Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing. I got something new this month. Bite Me box. I thought it was pretty cool because, of course, vampires. I do love vampires, so the Bite Me box kind of intrigued me. Sink your teeth into the hottest paranormal romance novels. And it's got some other items in there as well. Excuse my voice. I am getting sick, I guess. Hopefully I don't, because the holidays are around the corner. It's December, so this is my first box. It's very heavy, so I'm excited. Ooh, wow. Look at this box. That is a man. Wow. That's a hot body. Hottie to toddy. Wow. Wasn't expecting that to be in the box. Very nice. Okay. We got some brown paper. And some more brown paper. I don't think there's anything in there. I have it down the ground. First thing I see is a welcome to Bite Me box. I don't want to continue reading just in case it has some information about the box, so I will do this last. And it's got a white paper, and the sticker says Bite Me. So, let's break in and see. Ooh. Okay, so the first thing is this. It says Gray Ghost Bakery Scratch-Made Cookies, Chocolate Cayenne. Southern Family Recipe, Charleston, South Carolina. So that looks pretty cool. I'm hoping this lighting is good. I didn't adjust, so this should be better. Kinda. Let me see. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. And I'm gonna adjust the lighting, guys, so you guys can see better. There we go. Okay. I gotta get this stuff fixed. Ooh, the next thing in here is this. The Rogue King. Abigail Owen. Sexy, suspenseful, smoking hot. Pretty big book. So we have that. I guess these papers are just stuffing. Next thing in the box is another book. We have this. This one says Defy Me. A Dragon's Love Curves Knowledge. Defy Me. No soul, no soulmate until she shows up. Pretty decent sized book. Pretty cool. Next thing is, is this. Let's see. It's got like a crystal on the top. You see, wow. And it's a pen, and it says, Bite Me. So it's a logo pen. Let's see. You turn it. Oh, silver. It's very cool. Diamond. Oh, and there's another book. So that's 3 books. Wow. This one says Dragon Knight of Hoth. Dark Warrior Alliance, book number 17. He stands in the shadows, watching and waiting, protecting what is his. So, it says an original Bite Me box print. And so there's this other one here. This one says the same thing on the back. So that's 3 books. And this awesome pen. We have this bookmark. It's made out of wood. It's got a black tassel. It says, "The burn of desire begins and ends with dragon fire." That's so cool. So we got that wooden bookmark. Wow. A cutting board with a dragon on it. It says, "Bite me box." That is awesome. Really cool. That's engraved. Really cool. And then we have this here. Tassel. Has a dragon on it. Key ring. That's cute. With like a gray, silky tassel. That's cool. And believe it or not, there's another item in here. This here big thing. This says Gold Bayou Collagen Facial Mask. Ooh. Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Facial Mask. Wow. Never seen one of those before. I mean, I've seen facial masks, not this. That's pretty cool. And I like the packaging. Really cool. And we have all this. Okay. So we got this. Let me put this back over here. We have all this paperwork. We have this here. It's an envelope tied. Really cool. Let's see what this is. I'm sure you have to undo it, right? You untie it. There we go. Oops. And like this. And then back over here. And in here, this cool black envelope. We have a sticker. Embracing the fire. Looks like we have advertisements of the more books. And then it says free prequel short story, The Mate, The Fire's Edge short story. And we got the information on the back. So that came in a little envelope. And the Realm of the Fae. If you're a subscriber, this box will be automatically shipped to you. If you got this as a gift, you can join us. So this one says, "Turn me over for what's next." That's the next book. Is The Realm of the Fae. And it comes with this fire here. Or brochure, I guess you would say. Dragon, Burning Desire, Shifters. And it has, I'm assuming, the authors, information about the box, about the book, and the second book that's in here, The Rogue King, and then Dragon Knight. So you got some information. So this is my first time getting this box, and just this alone, having this beautiful, beautiful box right here, I'm definitely getting this again. Definitely worth it. I will leave you guys the information on the bottom about this. And this doesn't tell you what's in the box. It just gives you more about the information about that one book, The Dragon Shifters, Burning Desire. So that. And this is the one that tells you what's next. And then you got some information about the box in here. And then we got this beautiful, I guess, your facial mask. We got this awesome wooden bookmark. This awesome key ring. The cutting board, which is very unique and cool. Even this awesome crystal pen is really cool. And then we got 3 books. I mean, I guess this is, I don't know how many books. I think you're only supposed to get 1 book, so we got 3. So I don't know if it's just the end of the month surprise. So I guess I'll find out in January what's going on. 3 books. And this cool treat. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And can't wait to see what January brings. Till next time, guys. Bye.